Okay, g'day. I made a video previously about removing wire connections from plugs. With I'm rewiring my Volkswagen using a fuse and relay box out of a 92 Corolla, and we've got these a different type of plug. I hadn't had much to do with these, and I firstly tried to do it from the front of the connector, and like the other type ones, but that just wasn't going to work. And then I tried several different things that didn't work, and eventually you got a thin piece of metal to push in there, which was only an inch or so long, and which worked. And then when I pulled the wire out, I dropped it and I couldn't find it again because I haven't cleaned up for a couple of weeks. There's a mess everywhere. But then I came up with another thing, and which works, and this one I'm not going to lose so easy. I've dropped it on the floor a couple of times, and it's easy enough to find because it's got a couple of bits of coloured wire hanging off it. So, but anyway, that's not the issue. But I just want to show you how to actually get it off. You're looking at it from the back of the plug. Wait for the phone to focus. Right, you can see these pointed pieces of plastic. They hook in. They hook in behind the rolled up pieces. Anyway, I'll just give you a quick demo. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. Where are we? We're going to go on the back of it. And just there we go. Push it all the way in. You can actually see it. Not on these clear ones anyway. Make sure you go right up to where the curled bit of the wire is, and just pull the two of them out together. That's not even far enough. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it just clicked. Now I know I've got it in. Because this is real easy when you've got both hands to use. It's easier to see when I don't put my finger in front of the camera as well. There you go. Okay. So, yeah, hope that's helpful to somebody. Okay, bye.